Wait a minute. Something's different. Ah, we're in the Accord, not the Civic. Time to put that down there. It's all carbon fibered up. Don't worry about the mess over there. We gotta put this on. Let's go. S2000s. Cool. Remember that GSF we did the video on a while back? But we just got here. The Accord's a little dirty, smells a little funky. So, I mean, let's talk about our sponsor today. Now, I just want to talk about Import Crate and everything that they do. They always show us love, and I always show them love. And today we're going to be talking about the White Musk air spray or deodorant air freshener. This car hasn't seen the best days. As you can tell, it needs a little bit of love. But that's what we're doing today. But it hasn't smelled the greatest, so we're just gonna give this in here. And it actually smells pretty amazing, but let's talk to Ethan real quick. You gotta open it.
That shit.
You gotta
Oh, like that. Okay.
over here, and then it's gotta go into that. There's a little slot in there. It's gotta go
I
into.
get it.
What do you think? Don't spray it. No, don't do that. Why would you do that?
It smells good.
Why are you tasting it? Let's go talk to Kevin. Hold on. Go talk to Kevin. Hey, man. Hold on. Before you eat that. How's this smell like?
Smells pretty good.
You think she's gonna get mad if I spray her in the face? Go up and find it. So definitely go check them out. Check out Import Crate. Links in the description below. Use Sachin_works right about right here to save yourself 20% off on your next purchase and or your future purchases. Let's get back to it. To try and replace this, you gotta remove these two bits right over here. Now the way we did it is we pulled up from right here and it just kind of came out. And so we're just gonna throw them right over there. Then you just have the Phillips head screw here, the Phillips head screw over here, and the whole entire thing just comes off. It's too easy. So I lied. This piece doesn't get replaced. It's this whole entire thing. You lose all of it. Okay, bye. So now we put the new piece in here, and then we just got to run this right here. But first things first is we've got to rotate this whole entire thing. Just had to rotate this right over here, and all I did was take these two Phillips heads off. This came out, rotated, and the orientation I wanted was like this. Put that in. I think I've got to pull off a few more panels. Don't mind how dirty this is. It hasn't been used in a while. Kevin, why are you shaking it back there?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. So I've got to take the USB wire, kind of run it under the carpet and back up here. Just want a cleaner look, even though the car's not clean. So we hooked up the wire to that, ran the USB wire through to where it comes out kind of underneath here, and in this area, as you can see by that wire, and just fed it underneath, and then just kind of goes over here. Don't mind this. I need to fix all this. Now all we do is put that back up here, screw it in, call it a day. So I kind of put this, and Ethan kind of put that over there, and we just kind of like lined it up because you're losing the cubby. You want to make sure that this is lined up because it kind of moves a little bit. But one thing we kind of learned, or at least Ethan learned, is that this is 3D printed, and if you over tighten that screw, that this will snap. So just tighten it up using your fingers on a screw, not your whole entire hand and twisting the whole entire thing. One thing we figured out is that if you want to rotate this inside the actual display, you have to go to your Airlift 3P app, go to your settings, go to firmware update, and force update it. And then you just gotta say where the orientation of this is, if this is on the right side or the left side. When you do that, it'll update, and pretty much do the software update in here, and this will all turn around internally. Oh God. Come on. Well, there you have it. I think next time, or I don't know which next video is going to be, but this and this is going to get overlaid in carbon fiber. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If this is the type of video that you actually liked and like to see more of, let me know in the comments below. If you wouldn't mind, share, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Put it out on social media and tell me what part of this video did you like. Tell me about what videos you liked about the past. Let me know if you copped an import crate air freshener. With that, we'll end this video. Thank you guys so much. See you next time. Bye.